Hello guys, what's up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you how to open the community chest in Monopoly Go. So let's get right into it. As you can see, this blue chest you can see in the middle of my screen right here, that is the community chest. Whoop, my mistake. That is the community chest, and that is a chest that you can open once per day. When you open it, you get a big cash bonus, and you can increase that bonus by landing on the field that you can see my top hat is currently on. When it's ready to open, it will shine, it will flash, and you will know when it's time to open. As you can see, for me that's not the case. However, I still do have an example picture which I will show you and explain how you can actually open it and how the process works. If I click on it now, as you can see, my chest opens in 7 hours and 1 minute, and here you can see all your friends that will be within the mini game when you actually open it. Here you see my reward will be $7,300. And the multiplier which I can get up to a multiplier of 50. If you do not have enough friends, you can click the invite button, and to actually play the mini game you actually need at least 5 friends, as you can see here in the info section of the mini game. You can see here the entire explanation how it works. Now let's get into it, how to actually open it. When you actually click on the chest, when it's flashing, you will see this screen. Now, when you actually click on it and when you see this screen, this is exactly what will come up, except for you. If it's in English, the yellow button will say start, and there won't be 3 keys when you actually start. In those 9 fields will be pictures of your friends, and in the top, as you can see, is the multiplier bar, as well as the cash bonus that you will get for completing the minigame. Every time you spin and click the actual start button, it will land on one of your friends. For that friend, you can get either a multiplier tier bonus, as you can see in the top, or as is the case with the friend in the bottom left in this picture, you will get a gift if there is a gift next to their profile picture. Every time the game lands on one of your friends, it will change to a key. And every time, of course, when you land on your friend, it increases the multiplier. But if you land on a key, the actual chest will open and you will get the cash prize that is listed above, as well as any cash you get with the multiplier. Actually, I think that's calculated in the top already. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you learned something new. And that's it for me. See ya.